Hey guys, look at this big hole we have right here now. This guy right here, I think it's the compressor, was sitting in there. So they got that out today. Randy got that out. This was the...
I didn't get that out by myself. That took 4 guys. Without Chris and I can't remember the other gentleman's name. Anyway. Junior. Yeah, without Chris and Junior, that'd still be in the bus.
Don't be moving. And this was the green box that was sitting up on the seat, and this is the coolant unit that was up over top inside the bus, which is now going to be my closet. I have this massive, huge space at the back of the bus now. So we are doing awesome today, and Randy's got me working in the bus. So we are having a good time.
Well, you see this thingy here. It's the cooling. It was the cooling fans for the other air conditioning, which was broken. This thing was underneath here. Look at all that.
We have a big hole under there now.
And look at this. This is how we got it out. Chris made this awesome jack for us. I'm so thankful to have Chris here helping us. And this shows up out here with this jack thing. Here, stick that under there. That's how you can let that down. Oh, bless the eye. They get tight when they go for the 4th screw up. Gets tight. Right?
The second screw up. If you get 2 out, then you get tight the rest of the way.
You need some help screwing her in?
I got it. I'm working on the bus. There's a lot of screws in this, guys.